The Woman and the Salt Prayer. Awa mama kukufoju bijo, a o kumo, a foju biju, ariire, offering ebo, akuko, rooster, apa eran, animal limb, bolsa de sal, bag of salt, ekun, rat, ila, parrot, awado, cornmeal, awo, money. Significance, pateki. In the early times of the world, seawater was not salty, and salt was scarcely extracted from mines, making it very expensive. There were two married brothers, one rich, as he owned a salt mine, and the other poor. One day the poor brother went to see the rich one for help. As usual, the rich brother gave him a quarter of beef. When the poor man arrived home, his wife, dissatisfied, started complaining, saying, "Look at what he sent us. He only sends meat and no bread. He wants your children to go without bread. I don't want that meat in my house. Take it to the devil in hell. I am sure he will be more generous than your brother." The husband carried the meat on his back and set off in search of hell. While walking, he arrived at the hut of Òrúnmìlà, where he made a sacrifice to find the way to hell. Òrúnmìlà told him, "Further ahead, you will find an iron gate. Knock and wait. If you are told to enter, do not go in. Just hand over the meat and leave without looking back." He did exactly as Òrúnmìlà instructed, and the devil gave him a tiny mill. Whenever he said, "Mill, devil, give me this or that thing," the mill would start producing it in industrial quantities until he commanded, "Mill, devil, stop." In a short time, he became richer than his brother, who was happy about the other's prosperity. Eventually, the salt mine ran out, and the wife of the once poor man began producing salt with the magical mill. Finding this insufficient, she bought a massive ship and set out to export salt overseas. She overloaded the ship with salt while producing it in the middle of the sea. As a result, the ship sank, and everyone perished. But the mill continued producing salt at the bottom of the ocean, and that is why seawater has remained salty to this very day.